Unlocking the mystery of safe house. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, safe house. You might have heard it in movies, news, or novels. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in a sentence. A safe house can be split into two words, safe and house. Safe means free from harm or risk, and house refers to a building in which people live. When combined, this term generally means a place where someone can stay safely, especially when they are in danger or after escaping from danger. In movies or news, a safe house often refers to a secret location where people can hide, especially if they're running away from danger or someone who might harm them. For example, spies or undercover agents might use a safe house when they're in danger, or a person might be taken to a safe house if they're a key witness in a major trial and there's a risk of them being harmed. To give you a clearer understanding, let's look at a few examples. 1. After the agent's cover was blown, he was immediately moved to a safe house. 2. The police kept the witness in a safe house until the trial was over. 3. She managed to escape from her captors and made her way to a safe house. From these examples, you can see that the phrase emphasizes the protection and secrecy of the location. So there you have it. Now you know what safe house means and how to use it in various contexts. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding phrases like these can make your communication even more effective. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep learning, and see you in the next one.